Welcome back to the Ventura training videos. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the waivers. We talked about them before, but we've added a new feature, and that's the ability to put custom fields onto your waiver. So for example, off of my site, GatSplat here, we can go to fill out our waiver online. You see we have the basic legalese. Then we get into who are you filling out waivers for. Let's say we're doing it adult and minors, and we're going to have 2 minors here. The standard information is always here, the first name, last name, date of birth, phone, email, etc. But you can see here there's a new field that's cropped up. Have you played here before? And that's a yes, no choice. And it's there for the adult. It's also there for each of the minors. Have you played here before? Yes, no. So you can fill this out for each individual. We added this feature because I had a particular field that was on an Air Force base, and they needed additional information on each person coming into the base with some ID, so they could put some information in there like we need the last 4 of your social or your driver's license number if you're over the age of 18, etc. So how do you go add these things? Really simple. From the from the Ventura main menu, go to Settings, Waiver, and you'll now see there is a Custom Fields. This is going to work exactly the same as the custom fields for the registration. The only difference whatsoever, here I've put this one in, and we're going to edit this one just so you can see what's going on. So here's where I put the name. Have you played here before? What type? I chose an option. You can make it a short text, long text, yes, no, etc. Then whether or not it's required you have down here, and then location. This is really the only difference. You can choose to have it just as a general thing that's not attached to any one individual, or you can put it on the adult info only, the minors info, or the adult and minors info. So if you have something where you want to ask a question to just the adults on each one, you can put it here, or if it's the minors too, etc. So you just put it appropriately. So for example, on mine, I have it on adult and minors. That's why you saw it show up there. That's all there is to it, and now you can add any type of custom data to your waivers. And this will also be outputted when you export this as a spreadsheet if you choose to. That information is in your spreadsheet. So have you played here before? And I just put them in order. Here's my yeses, here's my nos, etc. So you can instantly create any new custom field, choose the output, and then have it displayed here if you need it.